Bro, this new COD is nuts. I got this buy limit. Okay, so I got this buy limit sitting right here. Hmm. Okay, hold on, hold on. I'm gonna hop out real quick of my Discord. I just need a little silence. Okay, so I'm sitting. I got a limit order sitting at 786. It was a rejection block on the hourly on NQ. Oh, 4 hour. My bad. Oh, we tapped into it. I didn't see that. Okay, so never mind. I'm gonna sit here and watch what price does. We have this 1 hour right here, but we also have another one sitting at a lower price. Overall, I still think that we're bearish. I mean, really do much. Market just opened, so we already have a hourly market start shift to the downside. The move that I wanted to see, let me see if I could bring it up. Let me see, let me bring this in. Let me see. Let me grab it real quick because I was trying to catch that. Okay, so like in my Discord, this is NQ. This is what I wanted to see. Let me go like this. So we kind of got it because we have these lows. We have these lows that are just not getting swept. Wanted to see those lows get swept, but I wanted us to pull higher into this range up here. Didn't really get the exact move that I wanted, but this downside was good. Catching this to the downside was nice. Well, catching this would have been nice. Um, for ES though, it's the same thing. I wanted to see us do the same thing, but ES just pulled back into this 4 hour. I should have expected that because ES and NQ they do move a little like they move the same, but movement wise of how high price is gonna pull, it's variance between each indice. Let's see, I'm gonna put this move this back over here. Yeah, I want to see that downside. That would have been nice. Um, now I'm just looking for a setup. We already swept out some lows inside of the hourly. So if we still respect this hourly, hard to be. If we still respect this hourly, that would be nice. Catch some upside. I mean, we're bearish, yes, but that retracement would be nice. A nice little retracement. This is the only internal low right here. This is also a low, but for me, lows like this, I can use as a draw, but I'm not gonna say that it's a significant it's not a significant draw to catch because even going on the 15 minute, that's where it is versus like this low right here, which is like a swing low, and you see price obviously higher on both sides. Wow. Taking a little break from trading. Feel like I lost my knowledge for a sec. We have an inversion of 3 minute after sweeping out these lows. I have to wait for a candle closure so I can. Damn. And we have a market structure shift. Okay, let me see this. I would have loved to have. Well, I like looking for the market. Okay, okay, that looks good. Oh, I should have waited. No, damn. I'm hoping it. Okay, if I. Oh, okay. I didn't enter in a position. So this yellow up here is a daily fair value gap. Red 4 hour, green hourly. Okay, perfect. Displacement. Let me get that. Come on, enter me in. What the fuck? Bro, that's shady as hell. What the hell? Bro, come on. That's some bullshit. All I was trying to do was just get in for a quick ball. It's probably gonna take a while because the fucking I didn't. I'm probably. What does my shit say? Uh, base level trading view. Right, got it. Okay. I want to look for some type of draw. We also have a market structure shift on the 5 minute, which to me is good. I like to see that. I like to see that. So I want to draw out what the mean threshold EQ of this whole entire range would be. Okay. Now I need to see my my take profit is right there. This is like I'm not gonna lie. This is risky, but what would I have made on it? Let it have actually entered me in when I wanted to be on there. Click 1 to 1, two contracts, 32. I don't like that it didn't enter me in though. That's kind of the that's kind of where I'm a little upset about it. And I want to clean up my chart a little bit. Stuffed out a low. Now we're pulling. We have these hourly highs right here. Do I see price getting up here? Maybe. Hold on. Look at it on the 4 hour. Okay, we're still respecting that 4 hour gap. That 1 to 1 can hit. Okay, 1 to 1 smack. I want to place something here though, because that kind of did just make me mad. TP1 would have got hit. I'll probably move my stops up to like right here. Nah, I could go break even at this point. I would be able to. Obviously, it didn't fucking enter me in, but you feel me? The fact that it didn't enter me in is kind of sucks. But you feel me? The TP got hit 30. What's that? 3,250 normally. And this is the funny part. Normally, I'd go on you for 106 and go like this. That's like that's me being honest. We closed above this. We closed above. Oh shit, we did close above that high. So entering right here would have been better. But next candle, that candle close. Hold on. Candle close. TP. It definitely wouldn't. Nah. So yeah, we're gonna go back. There we go. And we're still going. I feel like now I can like I would put my stops under that 5 minute. Well, there's a 3 minute fair value gap. My bad. Okay. You gotta keep going. Sure, they opens right there. 5 minute highs. Ew. Motherfuckers really be doing that? Italic shit? Ugh. Ugh. Say nah, I ain't gonna judge nobody. Like 11 is a good medium. Sheesh. When the time comes, I'll do the rest. But for right now, I just want to get these 5 minute highs. I think these 5 minute highs will be my last draw. TP1, that 1 to 1 right there. This has been TP1. We'll take off the 1 to 1 RR. Just TP1 is right there because that's where it put me. This is a clean setup. So like to go over it, wow, just for a good like mental rep. So if you start from the 4 hour, we were we were respecting this 4 hour gap right here, and we went down. We had this internal low and this hourly that this swing low was in. This internal low was inside the hourly. So now when you drop down to the 1 hour, oh, let me check ES as well. ES did the same thing. So ES had an internal low in an hourly, and Q had an hour and a low in the hourly. We respected this 4 hour. ES is also rejecting, but damn. Okay. Right now, we're in a bearish 1 hour. We're filled in the bearish 1 hour right here. So I'm hoping we can inverse that hourly and take out these highs. Those 5 minute highs right here. But as I was saying, we have this whole move, we have a swing low inside of an hourly, which is a good draw, which is a very like it's a very high draw to sweep out. So we swept those out. I dropped down to the 15 minute, didn't see there was no good fair value gap to chase after besides this one right here, maybe this one, but this one is like if price gets to this, excuse me, if price gets to this gap, it might as well take out London highs. But this fair value gap, that fair value gap, not nothing really crazy, nothing too much. No, in my opinion, I wouldn't say like these fair value gaps would be solid. Come on, solid draws. But oh, actually, scratch that, scratch that, scratch that, scratch that, scratch that. I'm saying some bullshit because 15-minute fair value gap with a five okay, we can say 5 or 15-minute highs. I want to say 5-minute highs. Mm, here's what I'll do. I will delete this 5-minute high shit, and I'm just gonna bring it back to internal highs. I like doing the internal highs because it's better for me because it's not like I'll be like, oh, like what time frame is it? What time frame is it? It is what it is. It's a high. It's an internal high within this move. So that's why I like personally just using internal highs. I don't know why I was trying to do like 5-minute highs, 15-minute highs, hourly highs, and all that. But we have this my side. Okay, London high. This one right here. Oh shit, I don't got that either. What the hell? So these are London highs, and we had this down move, swept out this low, tapped into this hourly, reject. I want us to close. Oh man. Okay, I hope this 15-minute close can at least close above this 50%. Oh, seems like I got high hopes. The TP1 already got hit, so now actually now it makes sense why I can take this off now. But TP1 would still be there. Oh, TP1 would be this. This fair value gap. I didn't see it before, but I see it now. So this hourly, we closed at the 50% on the 15-minute. So 15-minute and the hourly correlate. We closed above the 50% of this hourly gap. So now we broke out, which I'm liking that we break out or breaking out of this. So for my entry point though, 5-minute fair value gap, didn't see any. Drop down to the 3-minute. I'm not a real fan of the one. I'm not gonna lie. I don't really like entering off the 1 minute because it's like the way that market moves on the 1 minute is like I'm not a real fan of it. So drop down to a 3-minute. We sweep out this low. After we sweep out this low, we have this bearish 3-minute that we inverse, and we have a market structure shift. So my next thing I was looking for was price to reject and close, at least start moving like strong displacement above this high right here. So strong displacement above this high, and that's what we got. So entered in. All I did was place my template. I wanted to enter in off of this paper trade, the paper trade, but I couldn't. I had blew my accounts last week. It is what it is, man. You feel me? Trial and error. But I blew my accounts last week, so I didn't trade with any accounts. So this week I'm just gonna paper trade, watch price, see what the market is gonna give us. But this upside was good. What would it take this unfilled 15? And honestly, the unfilled 15, like that being that my draw I love using unfilled 15 minutes as a draw because like those are very like those are like very significant areas to be looking into because price from what I know, price always likes to like tap that exact area. Like it tapped this hourly. I think for me mainly like draws, unfilled hourly and unfilled 15s. Those would be like the two unfilled fair value gaps. 4 hours, not really, because it takes a little longer to get to them. But for like draws of liquidity, I'd probably say like yeah, an hour, unfilled hourly, unfilled 15, or hourly high, or any internal high. I just recently watched PB Blake's trade recap, and he was talking about new week opening gaps, how those are good draws as well. So I'll have to see for myself, but for the most part, I'll use it. Right now, this would be a 3-1. TP1 already got hit, so I would already be going off of trailing my stop, or let alone going break even. Set me in your daughter. I got something going on. I was just in Discord, but come on. Break above that, break above that. Use this as blue. 15-minute for value gap. If we can close out of this, if we can close above this high, that would be nice. Not this high. If we can close out of this 15-minute that's stacked right here. Come on. Give me what I'm looking for in 30 minutes. Oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And I'm like, I feel like most of the time I wouldn't need to be this hyped over it. Bro, whatever. But also, damn, bro, I want to just clear off my chart the best way I can. Buy side, internal lows. Oh, we'll sweep those out. Take those out. Goes to the 4 hour. Internal highs. It's like a head and shoulders pattern. Oh my gosh. This is also an internal high. Well, this is a swing high, but I don't mind using it for that. I just need that unfilled 15 to get tapped, and then I'm green. Straight cheddar. Because we inversed this hourly. We tapped into this other hourly, but this bearish hourly got inversed. Let's go. Let's go. I feel like I get hyped over the mental reps because those still count. Like those are still good sets, like a good chance to determine how the market moves. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Take that high out. Take that high out. Take that high out. I'm gonna continue to clean off the I'm not gonna lie. Let me see. We're gonna do middle center. Bro, why are they playing with me like that? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We tapped it. No, just a little bit more. We took out that. Well, man, I'm getting greedy. TP got hit. I'm getting greedy. I feel like I'm getting overly greedy. I wanted to see like this 50%, but like at that point, it doesn't really matter. This internal high with this 15-minute for value gap being the main magnet. Wham, 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 wham. That's what I'm. Bro, look, the order still hasn't even been placed, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Save and reload. Taking longer. Oh, yo. That's so chips. Well, actually, I'm gonna keep this because we have the SMT. 360 ooga booga booga. No, bro, I'm acting childish as hell. But my draws are these one of these two red lines, like ES or NQ. My draw will be one of these two red lines. So I'm gonna place a alert at both of these lines actually. Yeah, whatever. Shut up. Yo, like what the well, I only use one. See now I wanna see both of them. I wanna see what the price does around these areas. But um main thing already got hit. That 4 hour. Look at that. Oh shit. I typed it in wrong. Yeah. I feel like see all this movement would have gotten me annoyed. So one thing I saw, and yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'll take the fact that I took it from him. Saw my boy. Let's see. Or oh shit. Ooh. Yo, I'm over here trolling right now, bro. What the fuck am I doing? I'm doing one for an hourly too. What? Am I the only one who's tripping? Am I the only one who's tripping? What the fuck? How son? Bro, I should have been filled right here. All right, it doesn't matter. We're gonna get like look. Oh my god, bro. They're hoeing me in every which way. Closed position. Closed position. Closed position. Anybody else seeing how it says failed to close position? Like, bro, gosh, bro. This is maximum hold. It's probably because of the fucking account thing, bro. Close the position, game. Like, what? What? Oh, you're not dead ass. Bro, why is everything taking so long to process? Great, 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 great. It fills me in the wrong position again. And now, bro. I mean, I ain't tripping. I know what the issue is, but that's just annoying. Like, what was the point? Hold on. Let's wait. I want to see. I want to see what price does because they filled me in 15 minutes later. I entered in right around actually, yeah, like 10, 15 minutes later. Bro, I wanted to take this picture and send it in. Ooh, bro, so dumb. This is so dumb. Whenever they want to stop fucking around, I feel like I'm annoyed because it's like I would have. So basically, I'm just taking trials and errors and figuring out where I messed up with blowing all these accounts and stuff. So like obviously I'm saying it is what it is. Okay, so now people in my Discord are experiencing the same thing. All right, word. So I'm at least I know it's not just me then, because I'm like, what the? My boy. But they better fucking close me out on profits at least. Oh my days. Okay. What do you think of this color? Does this color look crazy? I don't think it looks too bad. I think it looked pretty clean. You could try it for a little bit. Try. I like using the white. This is nuts. People who use this is nuts. But the white is like kind of. I'm not gonna lie. The white's kind of bright to me, in my opinion. White is white is up there, but it's like nah. I'm about to see. Look, get one of these colors. Bro, this shit says I'm like never went in for that many contracts, bro. That's what I'm saying. Like, why are they playing around like that? And then it won't. Like this is this okay. Like damn. Let me just jack my stop loss like here, bro. I can't believe this. Trading view. You gotta make me just use Project X. No bullshit. How much? Like, what the? What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? What's going on, bro? Like, are we dead ass right now? I'm so disappointed right now. I'm so glad this is not like a actual account. I would crash out. Oh my gosh, I'd go to the HQ and start tweaking. Oh my gosh, like that just I got you. Only thing I really did for my entry for let's see, all borders, make it black. Fuck it, we can do white. Works for me. We have an internal low sweep. That was this right here, internal low sweep. Inversion of a 3 minute for value. Gotta put the market structure shift entry, entry off of entry. Like down 16, 15 G's is nuts. Cause like what the so this is it. This is all I see. The internal low gets swept. Oh shit. Hold on. Taps into a higher time frame PD array. Inversion of a 3 minute fair value gap. Market structure shift. Entry off of strong displacement. This candle closure with a strong displacement after. Oh my gosh. What the fuck, bro? Anyways, that shit went straight to the tick. Those internal highs right there with the 15-minute fair value gap. This is why I say I use 15-minute fair value gaps as a good draw. When you wait, all right, so look, let's mark out this move from here to here, right? Bless you. Thank you. So you see look 705, 15-minute fair value gap sitting between this like the 705 and the 709 is like my red zone. Red zone. I need I need price to pull back into it. If there's even like, for example, like the internal highs with the 15-minute fair value gap, that being in that red zone is solid. That's an A1 play. I didn't even draw out the fib, and I didn't even really need the fib, but you see it played out. This not being able to close this position is getting me so mad because it's like, bro, what? Man, just can't do it, bro. This is annoying. Like, bro, I'm gonna copy all of this, and then I'm gonna send this in the other Discord. Man, I'm just like annoyed, befuzzled, no bullshit, because it's like Training View really just fucking played me, bro. Bad, like played me bad, bro. It would have been nice to have entered in off of when I wanted to enter in. There's nothing I could have. Man, is what it is. That's a trade. Technically, that's really it. So, um, I already showed why I took this trade. It didn't align fully with what I wanted to see. Also, with this 4 hour gap, we still didn't displace out of it. So it looks like we're gonna respect that bearish gap and go lower, which to me is fine. I'm not really beasting. I already took a trade, but we swept out the lows, grabbed this 15-minute for value gap, but like this right here, like just this overall, I was about to say, please don't piss me off. This area right here, seeing the way that these candles look, it does look wonky as hell. But inside of all of that is like you could have found a move, but Tapping into this daily fair value gap is probably the one reason why we're not gonna go any higher. Because above this 4 hour is the daily, and we already got the 705 and the 79 sitting right there. Um, yeah, I was about to say I want to see what ES is doing as well. I want to say ES did the same thing, but maybe probably didn't even pull back up that high. Well, no, we also have this 15-minute right here. Okay, yeah. So usually, okay, this would have been this is an internal SMT right here, right here. Oh, God, John. So you see, we had that SMT right there internally. That's probably what's pushing us down further. But this SMT right here is from last week, so I'm not expecting us to still hold on to it. But yeah, this is from like yeah, this is like 2 weeks in one for this SMT. You know what? Let me make one for the daily as well. I'm gonna say as of right now, this is my current problem. Pulling back into this, we pulled back into that daily fair value gap. We have this 4 hour right here. Fuck no. I shall only use those lines if we look like we're gonna inverse it. Are you shitting me? Almost made my life a struggle. It's worse because I'm watching my P&L go down for like absolutely no fucking reason. Oh yeah, let me take that off too. Fucking changing the state. I haven't used that shit in a minute. Fuck that. Or do should I keep that? Should I have kept that? Like, bro. All right, let me close out of this. That was the move. I'm gonna do a quick little trade recap, post it for later. But I just wanted to show that real quick. Oh, just bro, my brain is so boggled right now because of the fact that this trade is like completely reversing, and this is not what I want. Like I wanted to be entered. I wanted to be entered in sooner. It is what it is, bro. But We're gonna try and be on tomorrow. Hopefully, TradingView doesn't